A plus D Original Diaper Rash Ointment, 1 pound by A&D is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. If you have an infant or toddler, you probably know what diaper rash looks like. Red, bumpy, chafed skin is no fun for babies or their parents. A plus D Original Ointment for Diaper Rash is a smart addition to your collection of baby skincare products. Safe to use at every diaper change, it's easy to apply and gentle on tender bottoms. A plus D Ointment helps prevent diaper rash by forming a protective barrier to help seal out wetness. It is also useful on your own skin and lips to provide soothing relief to chapped and chafed skin. Pediatrician recommended. A plus D Original Ointment is a top choice among baby diaper rash products recommended by pediatricians. Treats and prevents diaper rash. Lanolin and petrolatum combine to help seal out wetness and prevent diaper rash for your precious baby. Protects baby's delicate skin. A plus D Original Ointment temporarily protects the skin of your infant or toddler from wetness and helps to relieve the discomfort of chapped, chafed, and cracked skin. Easy to apply. You don't need an applicator or spatula to apply A plus D Original Ointment. This gentle formula is smooth and spreads evenly. Relieves your chapped skin and lips, not just for babies with diaper rash. A plus D Original Ointment with lanolin can also be used to protect your chafed skin and lips, too.